On this episode of GrassRoots Garage, we've got a beautiful little black Mark 1 Ford Escort. And we'll let you in on a little secret, it's not powered by a Ford engine. Instead, as the badge suggests, Simon opted for a compact little 12A turbo rotary. And we love the fact that he's built this car and stayed true to his passions of Ford Escorts and rotaries.
Welcome to GrassRoots Garage. I've got Simon. Simon, thanks for your time.
No worries, Peter. Anytime, mate.
Tell us about your car.
It's a Mark 1 Ford Escort, 1969 model. It's got a 12A turbo in it. It's imported over from Malta. It's, yeah, I love it.
So this car has got a really cool little history behind it. Can you tell us about its origins?
Well, I found the car on the trading post and advert said imported over from Malta. And yeah, I ended up ringing up Mick Zammit, and I always said to him when I brought it, I said, mate, I'll keep your number, and when I've done it up, I'll get back to you. And yeah, 6 years later, I'll get back to him, and
that's mad.
We talk now, and he's a good friend of mine now, and yeah.
And Mick had brought the car.
Mick brought the car over from Malta.
Yeah.
Yeah, he brought it over in a container with a Ford Capri.
Nice. Yeah.
And I managed to snap it up off him, and life goes on, mate.
All right, I'm going straight for it. Tell me about your first car.
My first car was a Mark 2 Escort, a brown one.
Yeah.
And did the wrong thing by it, mate. Took it to paddy bashed it, and
we did, but like
broke down out Londonderry drop zone and left it there the night.
Left it there.
And come back the next day and it was gone. So broken hearted, but yeah. Then I had my car accident, and after I got out of hospital, I lost my licence for 2 years, medical reasons. When I got my licence back, I picked up a red Mark 2 Escort from Windsor Toyota. That was a 2 litre, had extractors, and yeah, I just love my Escorts, mate.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Tell us about the car, your first rotary memories. Tell me about the car that got you into rotaries originally.
The car that got me into rotaries was Michael Bullis. He had a little white Gemini, and I'm pretty sure it had a 13B Bridgie in it, and it was just like off its head, mate, like bop, bop, bop. Yeah, and I just fell in love with it, and then that's what got me hooked in the rotaries. And then Charlie had a green R100, and he took me for a drive in that, and that just, that won me. That was the day. I love the sound, I love the power of them. I mean, this is only a mile port. There's only red light. This red line's at 7.5, but I want reliability.
Yeah. See, I reckon there's a couple of kids out here who see this car, don't know what it is. They're like, that little black car, I want one of them. I reckon there'd be some kids that are going, I don't know what that is. I like the sound of it. I like the look of it. I want one real bad. Transmission's a 5-speed manual from a Series 4 RX-7. Hilux diff. That's mad. Shortened Hilux diff. This is awesome, this thing, eh?
Yeah, here it is.
Pedal box from a Series 2 RX-7.
The front brakes have been replaced with Ford Laser TX3 discs and Holden brake calipers.
That's mad.
The rear brakes have been replaced with Mazda RX-7 Series 2.
Yeah. That's actually, it's mad, eh?
It's engineered to be a Series 2 RX-7.
Yeah, sick.
It's got RX-7 brake pedals.
Yeah. Can we have a look at that pedal box?
Yeah.
So that's a Series 2 RX-7?
Yeah.
That's mad. So what? I've heard the name Broadhurst before.
Dave Broadhurst.
Yeah, what's he?
He's been building rotaries for his whole life, mate.
Okay.
I think he's about 60 years old now, and he can build a tough motor, mate. And he's a champion.
And it was gearbox was a RX-7 gearbox as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, RX-7 gearbox.
Beautiful.
All surge tank and everything's
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Batteries in the boot now.
Beautiful. Clean little setup. Let's go look at the motor, man. The most important bit. Look at this. That's mad, yeah. Yeah. What radiator is that?
It's a customised alloy.
Just a
Everything's all been customised, mate. I watched him make this bracket. He's made.
Yeah, right.
Everything. So everything's been done on the car.
That's mad, eh?
It took him a while.
Yeah.
A good 2 years to build it. It hasn't got a brake booster. It's just like full on race brakes, man.
Yeah. Just got to step on them.
Yeah, just step on it, mate. It stops. It pulls up good.
Yeah. So is that an old Golly? Is that the one where they do the? Because it looks like, you know, the carby hats. This the way they've done the top of the fuel injection here. Is that like, you know what I mean? It's like blow through. Yeah. With the hats like that, because I could buy hats like that for the weathers.
Yeah. Oil coolers down there.
Yeah.
That's why that vent's at the front.
Yeah.
You seen the air scoop?
Yeah, the scoop. It's just such a tough front end, eh?
Yeah, I love it.
Standing here looking at it. Got the intercooler, and it's like, but it's not in your face. It's like neat and hidden back there, just like a really nice, efficient size. And then the scoop for the oil cooler is just sneaking out the bottom. We're sitting here enjoying this car, but it's not meant to be sitting still. Can we take it for a drive?
Yeah, I can't take both of his butt.
No, yeah.
No, you're right, Pete. Get in there, mate.
The smell too, it's so good. It's the old school car smell. Yeah. I love them. Absolutely love them. Yeah, profile on us. Yeah, good to Mark 1s, man. Love this.
Oh, I love it. That's why I've always wanted one, Pete.
Yeah. You're like me. There was someone commenting the other day about driving barefoot. You're like me, we love a good barefoot drive. Yes, that's a Mark 1 Escort. Yes, that's a 12A turbo. Simon's car. We're having a good time.
Always.
Sounds sick, man. So good. We've been chasing this car for a little while, and I'm stoked we finally get to share it with you and tell Simon's story about this car. Simon, thanks for your time, man.
No worries, Peter.
Appreciate
Anytime, buddy.
As always, Pete and I would like to give a big thank you to you guys for supporting the GrassRoots project. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.
I'll do one more, Goalie. Yeah, buddy. Loves it. See? Some random dude in a Hilux just frothing. Hey, one more.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
No, you do it.